Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a one balloon bunny rabbit. So inflate your 260 to a tail of a couple of fingers and then let a little bit of air out just to soften. Okay, and then twist off a bubble that is about 3 inches. And then make another bubble that is bigger, maybe 4 to 5 inches. Okay, and make another bubble to match this one. So just bend your balloon over. And if you're wanting more tips on how to inflate the balloons, check out my beginners series. I go into some detail in lessons 1 and 2 of that series. I'll leave links in the description. Bend your balloon over and twist these together. Okay. Now what you can do if you want to, you can take the bunny's nose and just push it through the centre of those balloons, and that's just going to lock those balloons in place and make sure they don't come undone. Give your balloon a bit of a squeeze and send some of the air down to the bottom of the balloon. And now twist off a bubble that is a couple of fingers in size. Okay. Next, make a bubble that is longer than the ears, so maybe 6 inches or so. Okay, and then we want to make another bubble to match this one, but it's really important when you do this that you hold on to the head here and that you hold on to this end here, because if you let go of either end, the bubbles will unravel. So make another one to match this one. So just bend your balloon over. And at this point, I would just grasp everything and twist everything together. Okay? So that's what you've got. Give everything a bit of a squeeze and a stretch. Okay? And at this point, you can bend your balloon over and you want to make a bubble that is about 1 inch or so shorter than these. So measure off. Okay? And then with the rest of your balloon, you can just twist off a bubble at the end and make a loop, okay? And then twist this bubble into this loop. Okay, so that's what you've got. If you want to, you can just pass that little bubble through the loop, okay? Next, take hold of the front legs and we're going to push them into the centre of this loop. Okay, so just roll them in to the centre. Okay, and they're going to hold in position. So one thing I like to do is take hold of that knot and just roll it to the end. Okay, and I take hold of the knot and nozzle and I just pull it back into this bubble here, and I wrap it just below the ears. Okay, and take hold of it, wrap it around a few times, and if you want to, you can pass the nozzle through the ears. Okay, and I just think that creates more of a bunny shape to the face. If you want to, you can draw a face using a Sharpie. So I'm just going to draw a simple face.